Hello students, in today's class we are going to study about regular and irregular verbs. You must understand that verbs in English don't follow the same pattern. They behave differently in different contexts. They change according to different contexts. And they are classified according to their behavior in particular situations. An important classification of verbs is into the two categories of regular and irregular verbs. What are regular and irregular verbs? Based on the differences in the simple past and past participle forms, verbs can be classified into regular and irregular verbs. That is, regular and irregular verbs are a classification are based on the differences in the simple past form and past participle form. Most verbs have a past tense and past participle with "ed". That is, we can form the simple past and past participle form of most verbs by simply adding "ed" to the verb. For example, look at the word work. Work is a verb and its simple past can be obtained by merely adding "ed". Its past participle is also worked. So, the simple past and past participle are the same and they both are formed by adding "ed" to the verb. Let us look at another example. Look at the verb play. By adding "ed", we get both the simple past and past participle form. That is play, play, play. Here the simple past and past participle form are the same and they can be formed by merely adding "ed" to the verb. Let us look at another verb, listen. This simple past and past participle can be formed by merely adding "ed". Listen, listen, listen. So, regular verbs are verbs in which the past participle and simple past can be formed by merely adding "ed" to the verb. Now, what are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs don't behave normally. That is, in the case of irregular verbs, their simple past and past participle cannot be formed by adding "ed" to the verb. Not all verbs take "ed" in the past and perfect tenses. For example, look at the word choose. Choose is a verb and its simple past is chose. I chose a black dress last time. Its present perfect form is chosen. I have chosen a black dress again. So, in the case of verbs like choose, the simple past and participle form are different and they don't take "ed" to form simple past and past participle. There are three types of irregular verbs. First one is irregular verbs with three forms. That is their simple present, past and participle form. All of them differ from each other. Let us look at the word break. Its past is broke. Participle form broken. So, break, broke, broken. Choose, chose, chosen. Ring, rang, rang. See, saw, seen. Take, took, taken. Write, wrote, written. So, all these verbs have different present, past and participle forms. This is one example of irregular verb. Then there is another category of regular verbs with two forms. That is, for example, look at the verb find. Its past and participle form both are found. Have, had, had. Lose, lost, lost. Meet, met, met. Say, said, said. Tell, told, told. So, in the case of such irregular verbs, their simple present differ from simple past and participle forms. Now, there are irregular verbs with only one form. For example, look at the verb cut. Its simple past is again cut and its participle form is also cut. Let, let. Put, put. Shut, shut. So, in the case of irregular verbs, their tenses cannot be formed by merely adding "-ed" to the verbs. And there are three categories of irregular verbs. Irregular verbs with three different forms, irregular verbs with two different forms, and irregular verbs with one form.